it is a joyful time for all Filipinos. But as we celebrate, all I'd like is to ask you to hold the thought for all those people who up to now are trying to recover from the effects of the 6 typhoons that we suffered in 23 days. Many of them are still in shelters. Many of them are still in need. My Christmas wish is that despite everything, that no Filipino has, every Filipino should feel somehow Christmas. Because after all, no matter how many typhoons they throw at us, no matter how many problems are thrown at us, there's nothing that will quench the Christmas spirit in the Filipino heart. In every child, man, woman, Filipino, hindi mo na matatanggal sa Pilipinas yan.
Ako, very happy ho kami. Nagpapasalamat kami kay Pangulong Bongbong, kay Ma'am Lisa, and to Sec Bianca and the Office of the President for organizing this. Talagang nag-galvanize yung buong DepEd. Yung bawat eskwelahan, bawat bata, bawat yung school community, kumbaga got together para i-present yung parang best foot forward, ika nga. Kung ano yung mga talento ng DepEd, yung pagiging malikhain na ilabas po. Kaya thank you, Mr. President. Yung mga bata natin, dapat creative thinkers. Dapat kaya nilang, hindi lang nagme-memorya, kundi lahat ng sitwasyon, meron silang creativity dahil ganyan ang mundo ngayon eh. Makabago, nagbabago, mabilis ang pagbabago. So kailangan yung pagiging agile, pagiging resilient, pagiging critical thinkers ng ating bata. Yun talaga ang gusto ng ating Pangulo at we're trying to do as much as we can to fulfill his vision.
Sobrang happy po at nagulat po kami nung nagtawag po ng aming pangalan. Malaki pong karangalan hindi lang po sa aming school, Pedro P. Panaligan Memorial. At hindi lang po sa aming sarili, kundi po lalo po sa City of Division of Calapan City.
Nung gagawa na po kami is nagkaroon po kami ng problema dahil po mayroon po kaming kakulangan sa pera at sa kagamitan. Dahil po sa tulong po ng aming paaralan, sa pangunguna po ng aming principal na si Ma'am Lorenel Tilupa Romero, na tugunan po yung aming mga pangangailangan upang ito magawa.
Napakasaya. Talaga pong pinaghirapan namin yung paggagawa nito. So, kumbaga po nagtulong-tulong ang mga bata sa gabay po ng kanilang coach. Salamat po at kami po ay nakapunta dito sa Malacanang. Napakalaking karangalan po dito sa buong Pilipinas. Salamat po DepEd kay Secretary Angara sa Mimaropa at sa support po na binigay ng aming Madam Susan Bautista, aming superintendent, and most especially sa school, yung teamwork po, yung spirit, yung hope, yung harmony po. Napakahalaga po nito sapagkat dito na ipakita yung paggamit ng 8 learning areas, hindi lang po sa arts, hindi lang po yung skills nila, nandiyan po yung tradisyon na binubuo po doon sa mga pinakita po ng mga bata. Nandiyan po yung mga beliefs nila, yung vision ng DepEd, pinakita po doon yung pagiging makakalikasan, makajos at makatao. So pinakita din po yung pagkakaisa nila sa pamamagitan po ng masinsing pagbuo ng bawat isa.
It's my very first time to sing at the palace for the Christmas tree lighting ceremony. And you know, every year we watch it on TV, and you guys always have the most beautiful trees. Of course, lit by Monino Duque. So I'm like, wow, and he's one of my favorite directors ever. And when I was invited to sing tonight, and they told me I was to sing with Jose Marichan, you know, what an honor and what a privilege. We're also doing a musical with his music. It's called Going Home to Christmas under Repertory Philippines. So timing lang talaga lahat, and it's just such an honor.